Risk is ever present in dairy and agriculture. What this means for my finance team is we're always having to plan for the unknown. You can't take a one-size-fits-all to risk management. We're in the Bryant family farm in Bexhill, New South Wales, just outside of Lismore, which is where Norco started in 1895. Norco is 100% Australian farmer owned, and as a cooperative, our farmer members provide us with milk that we sell to our customers, but they're also our shareholders. So every cent from a bottle of Norco milk purchased on shelf goes straight back to our farmers. There's risk present in any sector, but in dairy and agriculture, the impact of that can be quite sudden and it can be very difficult to plan for. From the finance team's point of view, this means we think about risk at the outset and it's part of every decision that we make. The 2022 floods in Lismore have really shaped Norco's approach to the floods that we've experienced in 2025. It was devastating for the cooperative, but also for our members who lost herds of cows, and our ice cream factory was completely destroyed by the flood. From a financial resilience point of view, contingency plans needed to be put in place very quickly. For the finance team, it was all about safety and support for our people. During that period, we reviewed our milk price and we also provide interest-free loans for our farmer members. Since the 2022 floods, we've been focusing on the long-term impact of our decisions and considering every angle to a situation. This means modelling different milk prices or modelling different capital scenarios, and practically this means the finance team being embedded in every aspect of the business, whether it's to get out on farm, to understand the workings of what our members do every day. When used strategically, finance can be used to manage uncertainty as it arises. That way we can protect our people and keep our business resilient. I grew up in a small business family. My parents ran a golf driving range, a computer typing school. This environment helped me understand that resilience isn't just about bouncing back, it's about being consistent. I see the same spirit in our farmers. Many of our member farmers are family businesses and multi-generational suppliers to Norco. This keeps me focused on the long-term impact and creating something that endures for our community so that we can remain 100% farmer-owned for another 130 years.